Begin by removing the lower kick panel on the passenger side, red arrow. Use a T20 Torx and remove the single screw in the middle of the panel, indicated by the red arrow. Starting at the outside edge, use a trim removal tool and pry the panel down from the clips holding it to the glove compartment. With the panel clips, red arrow, removed, pull the panel down and out from the two lower rubber mounts. You will want to get this out of the way, so you need to disconnect the light, blue arrow, and the power port, green arrow. Squeeze in on the two tabs on the electrical connection for the light and separate it. Press in on the tab, red arrow, on the power port connection and separate them, then remove the panel from the vehicle. You need to lower the air distribution pipe, red arrow, to access the air filter lid. Pull down on the air distribution pipe. It is held in place by a clip, red arrow, on the pipe that attaches to the blower motor. Separate the electrical connection for the cabin air temperature sensor, blue arrow. Squeeze in the tabs and separate the connection, red arrows. Remove the air distribution pipe from the vehicle. The lid is held in place by a clip on the front, red arrow. Slip your finger into the space and gently pull the clip towards the rear of the vehicle and lower the front of the lid. Slide the lid towards the front and off of the mount, blue arrow. You can now lower the lid. Use care as the clip on the lid gets very brittle and can break like ours did. I just glued it back together. The filter is a tight fit, and you may need to use a pick or a screwdriver to pull the old one down. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to pay attention to the airflow direction on the filter, red arrow. The arrow must point towards the front of the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.